little lovies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to be doing something super simple, and this little recipe is just absolutely fabulous for the summertime. It's warming up outside. You got little picnics and family gathering and church socials, and this is perfect for this. First of all, ain't nobody got time to be up in the kitchen sometimes making all these elaborate desserts, but this is delicious, and they're going to think you put a whole lot more time in it than what you actually did. And my little dessert is cherry fluff. Actually, it's cherry fluff salad, so it's salad, right? You can't go wrong. Healthy. It's salad. It sounds better than dessert.
It don't look really healthy.
Well, okay. It's got a lot of fruit and a lot of goodness, and it is called a cherry fluff salad. I didn't name it.
Okay.
So that's what we're going with. But anyway, y'all, you start off, and you see it's just simple ingredients. We got us some crushed pineapple, and you want to drain these little babies. Some cherry pie filling. Let me go ahead and open that up because I didn't do that. And we got some Jell-O instant pudding, Cool Whip, and some marshmallows. And pecans are completely optional, but I'm gonna add just a little bit on top. But very simple, so simple to throw together. So we are going to start with our crushed pineapple. And like I said, I drained them. I didn't squish the life out of them or anything, but I did get most of the juice off. And get our little cherry pie filling. I got the little Great Value. Ain't nothing wrong with that brand. And get them in here. And we're going to get all our little goodies up out of here. It's looking good to me already.
Yeah.
Just some fruit. Good old fruit salad. Now, some people make this with sweetened condensed milk, and you can do it that way, but I find the pudding one to be just as good, and it does save you a few calories or whatnot, but it is good stuff no matter how you make it. This is a very old recipe that dates way back. You may have seen my little pistachio pudding, same concept, the orange salad. Good stuff. All right, this is what we got right now. Just this mixed up. Now we're going to take our little Jell-O instant vanilla pudding here and just dump that in here. This is great when you signed up, take something to work or something, and you've been working all day, and it's, throw it together and put it in the refrigerator overnight, and it's ready to go. So we're going to give this a little stir, get this mixed up. Yummy, yummy. Now we're going to, I'm going to add my little marshmallows, about 2 cups of these marshmallows. Or just measure with your heart, honey, whatever. Whatever you want there. Let's put that over here. And we'll give this a little mix. And then we're just going to fold in our Cool Whip, and it is that simple.
Man.
It's the easy one.
I can make this one.
You can do it.
I can do it, y'all.
Yes. Y'all all know I like the extra creamy on the Cool Whip, but
hey, that looks easy, y'all.
It is so easy, and it is delicious. It really is. I love all these kind of little salads. And, I mean, it's good for anything. Even like Vacation Bible School. My kids have had it there. Fixing a big old bowl of it, put it in those little serving cups. So good. It looks like you spent a lot of time on it. You didn't. Now you can add nuts in here. I'm gonna add a little nuts. I think just on the top, but you can put it wherever you want it to go. And I've got my little cherries here. I'm just gonna put one on top for
make it pretty.
Just to make it pretty, just for presentation, y'all. And listen, I'm not good at taking these little food photos. I wish I was. I wish I was creative like that, but I'm not. But anyway, for presentation. And y'all, if you see this big honking something on my lip, I told Russell, so they gonna think I just been no telling where I've been and what I've been doing, but every time I get in the sunshine, and y'all know we were on the cruise, every time I get in the sun, I get this big fever blister. And it started, I'd never had one my entire life till I was 30. We went to the beach and I sneezed. And when I sneezed, I had sand on my hand and I went, Honey, I had blister from my nose down to my mouth. That was one time I was glad I worked in the operating room and could wear a mask. But every time we get in the sun, never fails. I get them. So anyway, y'all just bear with my ugly fever blister. This is what it looks like. Yummy. Good. Yummy, yummy. Now, you want it to chill for about an hour. And, but look how quick that was. That wasn't even 5 minutes if I shut up and not talk.
Yeah, you gotta talk, so.
Gotta talk, yeah, that would just be like weird.
It would not be Rhonda's country kitchen when they talk.
It wouldn't, honey. Y'all know I'm going to run my mouth.
It would be Rhonda's silent kitchen, and there wouldn't be no kitchen. It wouldn't be no YouTube channel, so that we can't have that.
Oh, gosh. So, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna sprinkle a little pecan on top. I've got my little cup here for roasted taste.
Whoa!
There went my spoon.
I'm gonna wash that spoon before I taste it.
Well, of course, we don't, whatever.
Yep.
But anyway,
she ain't trying to throw it at me.
No, I wasn't trying to.
I wasn't talking about her lip.
No,
I didn't say nothing about it. That was her own doing.
That was me. I didn't want y'all to say like, "What is that? Is my TV dirty? What? Is there something on my phone?"
Scratch.
What in the world? Anyway, it's the ta-da. Anyway, we've been looking like a mess today. We've been working out in the garden. It's hot and all that outside, so this is gonna be good.
Yeah, cool salad.
A little cool, yummy salad. But anyway, you ready to taste it, Russell?
I'm ready.
All right, we're gonna let it cool off for just a minute, and we'll be back, and you can give it a whirl. See what you think of it. All right, y'all. We are ready to taste it. It cooled off for just a minute. It really was good to go. You really didn't have to chill.
We didn't wait no hour, y'all.
We didn't wait an hour. I'm not gonna stand here story to you.
Nope.
That's why I said it was really ready to go. Right out. See, it's pretty thick and it's not been an hour.
It's good. It looks good.
It looks good. He has not tasted it. He's waiting on that. It's really good, ain't it?
It's a good salad, y'all.
We love pineapple. I love cherries too. So,
man.
Yes. And you can...
that's my kind of salad.
It's a good salad, ain't it?
Yeah, we're going to go back for seconds on that salad.
Good salad.
Yeah.
I just
lots of cherries.
Yeah, salad just sounds better, don't it?
Yeah.
But this really is so quick and easy, and you can whip up, take it away in no time, and it's good stuff. Really good. Great for the summer. Great for summer.
Yeah, it's got that summertime lightness.
Your pool parties, your birthday parties, all these little things. This will be just wonderful.
And it's a salad, y'all.
And it's a salad.
Yeah, you know.
Salad.
Yeah. Summertime.
Yep.
Yeah.
Dessert. You can.
I would say go with the nuts. It gives it's next level. Don't skip on it.
Yeah, nuts is not originally in this
put
recipe,
it in it.
But it is really good.
Listen to the professional.
Listen to the expert.
Yeah. Listen to the professional on it. Yeah.
But
marshmallowy.
Yummy.
Yummy. We might go for just one more, just to make sure, y'all. Just to you know.
You gotta, a couple bites to make sure. Still legit.
Y'all, I haven't been eating nothing sweet.
No.
So this is like a really good treat for me.
And it's not super sweet. I mean, you might think it is because you've not been eating anything sweet.
Yeah, I haven't been eating no sugar, so it's very, very sweet to me.
Yeah, but it's not overpowered. I mean, it's not.
No, it's not like candy sweet, but
no.
It tastes really sweet to me.
It does.
Somebody ain't been eating no sugar, it tastes really, really sweet, but it's very good.
Pow to your taste buds.
Oh yeah. Hi y'all. Yeah. Very good.
But anyway, y'all, I hope you try this. And I hope you like it. If you do, you can switch the fruit around, do different kind of fruits. Yeah. Like I said, I've done the orange salad.
That would be good.
Salad.
Yeah.
I did it.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
I did the orange salad.
I'll link it in the description too.
And that was one of the videos where I didn't have him in the kitchen and I was trying to do it with my phone, I do believe.
That was like crazy.
And it was a disaster, but it is still
but
really
we'll put
good.
it in there because it's a good recipe.
Yes, it is a good recipe. So I love the the orange salad as well. But anyway, y'all, hope you try it. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with us for just a few minutes. I have some easy little recipes for the
summertime, y'all. Yeah, you don't want to make the house all hot all the time. We don't have to cook these big old meals all the time. No. Sometimes it's easy to get something quick and.
Yeah, you know? You don't want to listen. Go outside, enjoy yourself.
Right, exactly.
Go somewhere, do something, make memories.
Yes.
Make memories. Anyway, thank you so much, and until next time.